Have you ever been told that eating more food can help you lose weight? It sounds counterintuitive, right? After all, we're constantly bombarded with messages about cutting calories and restricting food intake to achieve that slimmer figure. But what if there's more to the story? What if the key to successful weight loss isn't about eating less, but about eating smarter? The idea of eating more to lose weight might seem like a recipe for disaster. It sounds counterintuitive, right? We've all heard the saying, calories in, calories out, and it makes sense, doesn't it? The concept is simple. Balance the energy you consume with the energy you expend. If we consume more energy than our bodies burn, we gain weight. This is why many people think eating less is the only way to lose weight. So how could increasing our food intake possibly lead to shedding pounds? It seems contradictory, doesn't it? The truth is, not all calories are created equal. The source of your calories can significantly impact your weight and overall health. While simply increasing the quantity of food you eat won't magically melt away fat, focusing on the quality of your calories can make a world of difference. Nutrient-dense foods can help you feel fuller longer and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Let's break it down. When we eat, our bodies break down the food into energy, measured in calories. We use this energy to fuel our daily activities, from breathing to running a marathon. If we consistently consume more calories than we burn, our bodies store the excess energy as fat. On the other hand, if we burn more calories than we take in, our bodies start tapping into those fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss. So, where does eating more fit into this equation? Section 4. The power of protein, your weight loss ally. This is where the magic of macronutrients comes in. Understanding how they work can transform your approach to eating and weight management. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and protein are the building blocks of our diet, each playing a crucial role in our health and well-being. They provide the energy and nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. While all three are essential, protein takes center stage when it comes to weight loss. It is particularly effective in helping you shed those extra pounds. Protein is a nutritional powerhouse, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and boosting your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. This makes it an invaluable ally in your weight loss efforts. By incorporating more protein into your diet, you can effectively manage your hunger and support your weight loss journey without feeling deprived. This simple change can make a significant difference in achieving your health goals. Section 5. Take charge of your plate. Embrace the protein hack. Ready to harness the power of protein for yourself? It's a game changer for your health and well-being. It's simpler than you might think. Incorporating more protein into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start by making small but impactful changes to your meals and snacks. Prioritize protein at every meal. This means being mindful of your food choices and planning ahead. Aim to include a source of protein with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This could be as simple as adding eggs to your breakfast, chicken to your lunch salad, or fish to your dinner. Think Greek yogurt with berries, grilled chicken salad, or lentil soup. Snack smart by choosing protein-rich options. Ditch the sugary processed snacks and opt for protein-rich alternatives like hard-boiled eggs, a handful of almonds, or a protein shake. These choices will keep you fuller for longer. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. They are essential for your body and can help you feel satisfied. Pairing protein with healthy fats, such as avocado or olive oil, can further increase satiety and support your weight loss goals. This combination is both delicious and nutritious. By making protein your secret weapon, you can take control of your hunger, fuel your body effectively, and achieve sustainable weight loss without feeling deprived. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your goals. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Make protein a priority and watch your health transform.